Boom! Wagwan people, don't miss me, not true. RkTours and Excursions, back at it again. You see me? Right now, guess which part we there? Right now we in Westmoreland, guys. You see me? You don't know the best is in the west. You see me? And right now we are Benta River Falls. And may I tell you, sir, right now the place is nice. The scenery is a vibe, clean. Trust me, you guys need to come check it out. But as I say, we're up on a little excursion, me and my friends them, and you don't know we're gonna carry the best vibes and best energy to you. Right now, just look out for your banger, man, cause this right here is a banger. Believe me. Check it out. Look how beautiful it is, eh? Spin it out. Check out that, guys. Oh my God, trust me, it's gonna be beautiful. When you ready? Alright, follow me. Come in.
From the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
Yeah guys, so we're at the famous Benta River Falls. Yeah man, check it out. Nice river, guys, check it out. There are falls over there. Vandal, I see I test it out. There you go. Make sure I'm not sliding, you know. Yeah, people, it's a vibe. Check it out. Westmoreland. Nice, cool Westmoreland. Got this beautiful water, man. Oh my God. Yo, I don't know about you, but I love water. I love river water. And check out this beautiful river water. Huh? Check that out. What more can you ask for? Come to Jamaica and enjoy yourself, man. Nice water, people. Trust me. This is awesome. You guys need to check it out. Whoa. Look at it, man. You have more water section down this side. Look at that. Woo! That's so beautiful, guys. Trust me. Yeah man, Benta River Falls. Check it out, man. She have our baby in the water.
every strain we have, we keep them pure. We don't water it down.
Yeah, man, just yeah, man, we keep everything pure. Cherry pie.
That is it.
Is that the cherry pie? Yeah, and this the half Russian. Yeah, there's no say a Benta with it. Yeah. Push corner, different strains, every jar. Pre-roll for the one that are tired of it and can't bother roll it. Yeah, we have everything for you here. We have the hash. Those who want pure hash to smoke, this is it, this is it.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
My Benta in the daytime.
Yeah.
Here I am.
Alright.
Alright.
Where Instagram?
Instagram, Pretty Rasta Girl 876.
Alright.
Hit me up, man. Hit me up.
Alright, there you go, there you go. So when you're in Benta River, guys, just check out Pretty Rasta chick, you see me?
Yeah.
She have all the good kush, pre-rolls, the gum.
Yeah.
Trust me, everything lock and loaded,
And
man.
keep lock and loaded for the farm tour.
Yeah, farm tour.
Coming soon.
Alright.
Big up RkTours and Excursions. Thank you guys.
So when this place open up, boss?
I know, see a couple of years well.
Couple years well?
Yeah, man, whole it for a year well, but you tell you what happened.
Yeah.
It never, I think a friend in the 90s,
Yeah, okay.
but it never popular
Okay.
till after, before COVID.
Before COVID
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Okay, so that's when it became popular.
Yes,
Look
that's
before
when it
COVID
became
time.
popular now. In a COVID now, yes, that's when it burst like this, you know.
Okay,
like this.
okay,
Because what
okay.
happened,
Cause you know when COVID, everybody
COVID
locked down, so
yeah,
everybody
so
want to go outside, so them
everybody want
find
to go
private spots and stuff
Yes,
like that.
yes.
That is it. That
They
is
find
it.
this as a private spot,
Okay.
and it really work out because
Makes
you know,
sense.
would say in a country there.
Yeah. In a rural area.
Yeah, you're not gonna really find the police them.
True.
running and the government running like
That is true. That is
So
true.
everybody know, like you come here.
Okay.
Like the boss looking through it now and say, you know, I can open this place more. better.
Yeah.
No?
So the owner for the
Yeah.
property
Yeah.
just decides say, "I go."
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Eventually, you know, we go on the website and put it out and people see it
Like it, and everybody
tell
just
you,
start
you tell
coming.
me,
Yeah. Yeah, man, guys, this is really beautiful, man. Check it out.
Yeah, right here we have Tree River meat right here.
Tree River.
Yeah, meat right here. We have Cabarita, we have Benta, and we have the next one. Just
Oh,
on the
look a
street,
small
yeah.
one up
Yeah.
there.
Come all
Okay.
the way there.
Okay. So this is what?
Cabarita.
Cabarita.
Yeah. And this is
Okay.
Benta.
And this is Benta.
Yeah. So all of them meat right here.
Okay. That's nice. That's
So
nice.
if
That's
you're
nice.
coming on the tour, you would be start from there where them people is. Straight to right back where you're coming from.
Okay. Cool.
Jones, Delroy Jones.
Delroy Jones. So when you come here, you can ask for Delroy Jones.
Yeah.
He's about the security. Yeah, man. Security of the property. And he will make sure everything is safe and everything is good. Yeah, man.
Alright,
Benta River, guys.
Run from
Huh?
this is the river.
Yes, sir.
From a big tree called cotton tree, just like this one.
Cotton tree?
Yeah, just like this big tree here.
Okay.
This water comes from underneath the roof, the roof, the roof. Like
Yeah.
But way in a hill up at the top.
Okay.
So it
Which
comes
parish? In the same
Westmoreland.
Okay.
But it come down, then you go around. So when you go around, you have a next river, a next place like this they call Venture.
Venture, yeah, I see that on the Google Maps.
Yeah, so this is the same river that runs through Venture.
Okay.
And then we come across the...
It's not the same river run through Mayfield.
No.
Mayfield
This
River
one-
Falls is a different
This one
one.
will become half
The
from-
small one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This one will be coming from Rolling River side.
Roaring.
Rolling River.
Okay.
This one, yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, my boss. Manners and respect here.
So you have the
Respect,
rest
man.
of yourself.
Alright, cool.
But the tour starts from here.
Yeah. And you just follow the track, go all the way up.
Yeah, right where the tour guide is, the lifeguard. There's a blue hole, so everybody swim out. Jump over.
Okay. Alright,
You
cool.
know, just the excitement is right there. All the
So we don't need a tour guide to go up or
No,
anything
no.
like that. Okay, so we can just go up by
You
ourselves.
can just go by yourself, but be careful of
The rocks and
But,
stuff.
yeah, you have a good shoe.
Yeah, man, we have shoes, man, so we should be good. Alright, my
It's all
boss.
good.
Respect
It's all
here?
good, right?
Alright, cool. Yeah, man. So out here look nice, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful water right here. Awesome, guys. Got this beautiful water, man.
Hold this thing.
That is it.
This is the vibe, the sea breeze. There's April. Yellow man. Darling, this is nature. There's April. Yeah, man. Monkey man. Darling.
Yeah, people, so Benta River is a vibes. Trust me. We just do a limestone rub down, and trust me, my skin feeling so smooth and nice. Yeah, man. Right now we are taking a different road right now. I don't know, we love explore, so we are explore. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. Outside, man, a team. Brawling. Guys, they say there's a cave right under the rocks. So that's what we're going to check out right now. Check out this nice cave under the rock, you see me? Beautiful river, guys. Bro, where see ya? Check it out. Alright, my boss. So forward. Jade! Jade! Brawling! What's done? Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah, people, so as we say, we are going to the cave right now. You said the cave is right there. So we have to check it out. People, fuck! Oh, we are going to the statue! Oh, fuck, God! Guys, and the cave we are going now. The cave we are going now. Not big. Oh, I just want to little sit, man. Oh, man, look like it goes so. Oh, man. Oh, my God. That is it. Come in, man. Come in. Brawling. Yo, guys. Look at this. This is a cave, you know. Brawling. Inside the cave. We are inside this cave right now, guys.
Never lie. RkTours and Excursions. Check it out.
No
Experiences like this. Fun time, your friends, your family, abroad or yard.
Yeah.
RkTours and Excursions.
That is
Bring
it.
you right here. Any destination you like.
That is it. Yeah, man. This is Benta River Falls. You see me? This is a cave at Benta River Falls, guys. Yeah, man. Every time we fall to Benta River Falls, we check out this cave. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Our water drop off of the rocks, them. This is so awesome, guys.
Wow.
So awesome.
RkTours and Excursions.
Look here. This is limestone. Wow. Limestone. All of this, limestone right here. Yeah, man, this is really nice. Really nice, guys. Yeah, people. That is it. That is it. We came here, guys. Benta River Falls. Yeah, man, check it out, man.
Couple leaves, guys. A couple leaves. A couple leaves.
Up the falls, my boss. Give me a victory stand. That is it. Up, Jaden. Woo! Yeah, people, check it out. Benta River Falls. Yeah man guys, this is it, you see me? The end of Benta River Falls. Yeah man, nice vibes. Trust me guys, it was awesome. The stairs there. Yeah man. Yeah man, pretty though. Yeah man, this is the end of the Benta River Falls. Yeah man, we're gonna check out the next falls right now. As you see, exploring RkTours and Excursions. Out and about.